Want to check out a high-performance SUV? Take a look at this one. 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. That's right. 707 horsepower, a supercharged 6.2 liter Hellcat engine underneath the hood of this thing. 645 pound-feet of torque. This will take you from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. It's a two-owner vehicle, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles at a little over 26,000 is all. Of course, all your modern equipment, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. This paint on this is a black diamond crystal pearl, and it does have a clear protector on the hood, as far as like the clear vinyl protector on this front fascia. Around the grill, it's done beautifully. You can hardly see it's there, and that's why that front fascia, front hood, and everything looks so good. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. You also can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look at the size of these rotors and brakes up front. It's also the 20-inch aluminum wheels. Paint obviously shows very well what you'd expect in a well taken care of vehicle. Some of the optional equipment that were added to this vehicle, one of the things is this interior. It does have the signature leather wrapped interior package, as well as the red seat belts, as you can see, also an option. High performance audio. There's actually 19 speakers inside there with 825 watt amplifier. Also a dual pane panoramic roof. What a great looking SUV. Another thing is, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. So it would have a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, just so you know. Once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. You're seeing it on YouTube. As you can see, the paint on it shows well. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches, especially that nice front end protector that's on there. You might find a little imperfection here or there. It is black. It's been driven for 26,000 miles, but nothing that is going to stand out. Let's take a look at this rear interior. Seating area. Looks like new back here. We're going to want to fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. Of course, all your modern standard equipment is going to come on this vehicle also. We'll get a copy of the window sticker online with the still pictures too, so you can take a look at that. And again, clean Carfax, two-owner vehicle. Adult owned and driven. Exact miles 28,915. Look at the dash, no check engine lights, service engine soon lights, anything like that. Of course, HVAC controls, there's the red key. Of course, all your different modes as far as suspension. Not going to get into a ton of that. If you're looking at one of these vehicles and know about them, you know more than I do. All I know is this one would be a fun one to get in and go in a straight line or around a track and put that pedal down to the floor. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. It's just got a menacing exhaust note to it. Imagine the sound of that when you are on the throttle, doing that 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pause this a second. We're going to pop that hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. Here it is, underside of the hood. This has not been driven in inclement weather. See how clean that is. And look at that power plant. Again, 707 horsepower, supercharged, 6.2 liter Hellcat engine. What a beast. And then of course, all-wheel drive traction. What more do you want? Automatic transmission. Everything's there. Looks good and sounds good, and it's fast. 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, 2-owner, clean Carfax. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. Look forward to hearing from you on this one. Don't expect it to last too long.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. This one has the supercharged Hemi. It is an automatic on the center console with shift up and down capability and also paddle shifting capability. Really fun acceleration. It's in sport mode right now. You also have track mode and launch control, as well as snow, tow, and auto. What can I say? It's a really fun vehicle. Like new, it's 26,920 miles on the odometer currently. Handles like a new vehicle. And the radio works great. The leather seating is very nice. It's got some cool style to it actually. Special stitching. Black on black with a vented hood. I really want to get one more acceleration in. You don't get much time on the throttle when you're sticking to the speed limits. What you might call a panoramic sunroof up above. Really nice Jeep. Sounds really good. Very fun to drive. Give us a call or check it out online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Look for the Jeep Cherokee Trackhawk.